In this Tech Defender's guide, we're going to show you how to remove and replace your Chromebook's battery using an Acer C720. Before you begin, double check that the device is powered down and unplugged from any outlets to avoid electrocution. Step 1. Turn the device over so that the bottom is facing up. Remove all 6mm screws on the back housing using a Phillips screwdriver. Step 2. Wedge a spudger tool or a plastic card between the back housing of the device. Carefully apply pressure up and down on the device until the back housing pops up. Repeat this process in multiple spots if needed. Step 3. Remove the 6mm screws holding down the battery. Step 4. Gently wiggle the rainbow cable connector from side to side to unplug it from the white terminal. Step 5. Lift the battery straight up and out of the device. Try not to knock the battery against other fragile components of the device. Once the battery is completely removed, follow the steps in reverse to install the new battery.